Hey fam, welcome to my channel. So this video is going to show you how to do a messy bun style on your natural hair. If you have any old hairstyle that you want to bring back to life, just keep watching this video. So what I'm doing is that I have a loose twist. It's an old hairstyle, and so I decided to pull it up and also make the front part a different style. So I will be doing a flat twist on the front part, but for the back I'm just pulling it into a high bun because I want to do a high bun with it. So like I said, with the front part, what I'm doing is I'm going to do a flat twist on it. Now I don't know how to flat twist, and this is my first try on doing flat twist, so I think have done pretty well with that, even though I'm not an expert. This is my first try at doing flat twists, so even though it doesn't look that neat, I hope you see what I'm trying to do. So if you know how to do a flat twist, then you can do it to be neater than this. Otherwise, this is what I'm showing you. So the front part, I'm doing a flat twist, and this is more like a loose flat twist. The hair was is a twist out on a mousse. It's an old twist out. I just wanted to do something else with the style. So I'm just pulling it up just to make it look fuller a bit, and then I'll use a bobby pin to just tack it away. And the same process I'm repeating the same process for the other half of the hair. Now you would notice that I didn't use any gel or anything to lay any edges or anything, yeah, because like I said, this is more like a messy updo for 4C hair, so there's no need to make it sleek or anything of that sort. So yeah, I'm also flat twisting the side. Like I said, this is my first time of doing a flat twist. I was kind of like struggling a bit, but I still got hold of what I was doing. So I would just be doing a little bit of practicing here and there, and I know that I would do a better job next time. But yeah, I am with this style. So what I'm doing is just flat twisting it, and it's also a loose flat twist. I don't want it to be tight because this is more like a messy style, and everything has to look kind of like messy, not neat, that thing, yeah. So I'm just flat twisting like you see me doing. So this is the twist part. I'm just twisting it so that I'll tuck it away with a bobby pin like you see me doing. So this is what we have now. So now that I'm done with the front part, we're gonna work on the bun. And so since this is going to be a loose bun, the bun is also going to be as loose as possible. So I'm using some smaller bobby pins to just put the ends in a bun style, and I'm trying to make it as loose as possible so that the bun will be bigger. And anytime you want to get a bigger bun with a twist out, it is advisable that you use a hair mousse. Hair mousses bring out the volume, they make your hair voluminous, and so you get bigger bun. So this was actually a hair mousse that I used to do the twist. So you can see that it's giving my bun some sort of volume as compared to when you use a cream styler or a gel. So this is how the bun is looking now. I decided to tie it up a bit, so I was going out, and this is how the messy hairstyle is. So this is not a neat hairstyle, just a messy hairstyle. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye loves.